factual documentary series, where our research is backed by only the most reputable of sources. Anyways, today we are talking about the Yoshi. This disgusting little dinosaur right here is a Yoshi, a despicable, ugly, fat, scrub tier.
The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A meteor was detected approximately 6.9 million miles away from Earth, and it is quickly approaching our atmosphere. However, this meteor is too far away for a shelter-in-place order, because there may be a chance that NASA could destroy it. All persons should stay tuned for more emergency updates. More information will be provided as it becomes available.
Sub, you get back here, sub.
I was supposed to eat. What's up?
You're eating. Why are you eating? There's a murderer on the loose, Alex.
What?
There's a murderer somewhere. What? It could be any of us. It could be Sub. It could be Sub.
It could be. We never know because he's got no way of talking to us.
What do you mean? He communicates through his expression.
Look.
You see this little no, I'm not. I'm not. I swear I'm not. He tripped and...
This is an update to the meteor alert. Important details will follow. The emergency alert system has been activated at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The meteor that was detected 5 hours ago is now known as Fire-Tor. This meteor is contained with fire that can destroy all of North America, or even the whole Earth. No action is necessary at this time, but please stay tuned as it may be needed later. We will now return to regular programming. Following message is transmitted at the request of NASA along with the United States government. This is not a test. The meteor classified as Fire-Tor is confirmed to be on a direct collision course with Earth. The believed area of impact is the East Coast, expected to hit in 10 hours. This impact will affect much of the East Coast, from Maine to Florida. It is also possible that this impact will affect the state of Pennsylvania as well. Anyone in the warned areas are to evacuate now. An ideal place to evacuate would be either the central or western United States. Normal programming has been discontinued until further notice. All stations have gone into emergency mode. Stay tuned for more info. Attention. An additional message has been sent out by the National Weather Service. Please stand by as we decode this message. National Weather Service in Maine has issued a tsunami warning for the entire East Coast. Along with NASA, they have found out that a large mega-tsunami will form after Fire-Tor impacts. Sheltering in place will not help after it is too late to evacuate. Evacuate immediately. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the United States East Coast.
This is NBC, and we just got a bulletin about a meteorite. It has fire in it. Jeez, this is one of the worst moments of my life. I can't believe I have to deal with this. All persons need to evacuate the freaking East Coast. And oh God, it's right there. It's already the meteor. I gotta go. Come on, people, the tsunami's gonna kill you. Get the hell out of here. The meteor will kill you. Oh crap. Everybody, hurry the frick up!
National Information Center statement is, in effect, for the United States until further notice. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration would like to inform that the meteor impact is over. A mega-tsunami has formed over the eastern United States, and all states in the eastern United States have submerged into the water. All residents who have evacuated are advised to not return home, as there is no home to return to anymore. The United States government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.
This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume.
If you need a meal, let us fix it. Pick up pulled pork or beef brisket. It's one less meal you have to fix. Carry out your meals from Rick's Smokehouse. Locally owned and a great value. Try our award-winning barbecue. We make our own sauce just for kicks. A treat for your mouth, only served at Rick's. So cooked over hickory sticks. It's all served up.